Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming in again. I am here to talk about KDP. KDP standing for Kindle Direct Publishing. If you have your work, you've been writing a lot, but you didn't know what to do with what you're writing, this is the right video for you. I'm going to take you through step by step so that you'll be able to publish your work. So what you would do, you actually don't even need to pay anything to publish your work. The only thing, if you have your work manuscript already made, and then you also have your book cover. In case you don't have a book cover and you want me to do a video of how to make a book cover for yourself, you can let me know in the comment section so that I'll put a video of that sort. And if you have enough money that you can hire somebody to make for you one, you can use Fiverr. I'll put the link of Fiverr into the description box. There you can contact people that you want actually to even write for you a book, if you don't, or anything. So in this case, about the book cover, you can charge people from that platform, Fiverr, and they'll be able to make for you good book covers. So after that, you just have to go to KDP and sign up. It doesn't take anything. You just go to your Google Chrome and you type KDP. After you get to this page here, this page that I am on now, you just need to put in your email address and then you sign up. That's just it. There's nothing big about it. Okay, now that we're here, we are going to create. Yes, we're going to tap on create, and then we'll choose whether we want to make a Kindle book, that's an ebook, or we are going to make a paperback or a hardcover. In this case, we're making a paperback. So we are going to tap on paperback. And what you're going to start with here, as you can see, it's the language, English, and then the book title. You use whichever book title that you chose. It should be related to your book. In this case, I'm using a lined notebook. It's just lines. I made one using Canva. It's just for this example, But in case you want me to make a video about that too, you can let me know in the comment section below, so I'll be able to make one like that. And you skip the rest until the author, so you were the person that wrote the book. And the contributors, you skip description. The description, you describe your book very well so that when people read the description, this space here will be seen on Amazon.com or any other platform on Amazon that you're going to be selling your book. So you have to take real time and make proper research about how to make a good catchy description. Rights, publishing rights, I own the rights. That's you own the rights. And primary audience, you go through that, and then you skip the rest. Amazon.com, the categories that we're going to use. This book belongs to which categories. You will choose between all these categories that they have given, and from there we'll skip. Is it a low content or a large paper, a large print book? You skip that too. And you put the 7 words that they require you to add. You don't have to use the words that you put in the heading or the title. You don't use that. You use words that are related to your book cover, your book title, and then people would use such words maybe to be searching for your book, so that your book will be visible on Amazon.com or whichever platform. So after here, I'll come back to this. I just want to show you what can be done here. and we will go to publication date, and then you save. After everything, you get to the next page. That's save successful. We go to down here. You will choose to assign an ISBN number for free. They will just give you that number. Will be put at the back of your paperback. It will be put. It's very necessary. Amazon requires you to choose to assign one for your book. Okay, we are going to use black and white paper. You choose that, and we are going to use not 6x9. You select a different dimensions. This book I made 8.5 to by 11. That's what I choose. Then bleed, you have to use a PDF file for bleed, so your manuscript should be in PDF file. Then I have to upload my manuscript. This is where you put your manuscript. It will take a little while, though I'm going to skip that. It will take sometimes a little while to upload, so I'm going to skip it in a while, and from there we will go to the cover to upload. Okay, save successfully. We go to the cover. You can launch one using KDP, but I don't usually use that, so we'll upload one that we already made. Okay, it uploads also successful. From there we'll go down, and you have to view what it is that you've uploaded. Okay, did you use AI? No, we didn't use AI. If you did, you write whatever platform you use to, whatever software you use. Okay, this is where you save everything after looking into everything that you've answered. So we choose to view whatever we've saved, and this is how my book would look like. Inside is just lined notebooks, light papers, like I said, lined pages. So you approve if everything looks good to you. If not, then you have to revise your manuscript or your book cover. So we'll have to scroll down and then go back. We have already launched. That's what you just opened or previewed. Save and continue. Saving. Okay, save successful. And we will go to the pricing. That's the best part. So you will choose which price you want. Amazon requires you to use at least between 4.7 minimum and to $250. So whatever you want, you are the one that made the book, you know how much you invested. So we will, I choose to use $6. I'll use $6. It's just because Amazon will take some percentage and all that, so my royalty will be 0.76. So you have to, from here, if you're ready, you just publish. I'll revise this. I did revise it before I published my book, so you have to take your time on it as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time.